And I am back in Stockholm region after 2 days of trip to Luleå, north of Sweden, and I am greeted with the best possible weather in Sweden. It is 24 degrees Celsius right now, at least what it says in Stockholm. But here on the sea it's a bit chillier, maybe around 22 right now, because of the breeze or wind that comes from the sea. I am in my happy place, Nacka Nature Reserve, and I'm showing you another place in this nature reserve that is so beautiful out on the sea. A larger formation of rocks right next to the main forest road that's only used by walking, running and cycling. Around maybe 500 meters from Erstavik spotted the main beach here. So yeah, the sun is shining, and even though I'm tired from the trip, my 36-hour trip in Luleå, and I made over 90,000 steps actually in those 36 hours, but I have slept only for like 3 hours. So that's why this morning or night I slept for 10 hours, so I feel refreshed now. And first I thought to go somewhere closer with the lake, but I was like, no, I need to check the sea and how it is. So to my surprise, there weren't that many people on Erstavik spotted. Maybe people have been from Sweden have been traveling to another country, to different countries, as there were so many people at the airport when I was both departing and arriving as well. Let's check first the temperature before I prepare to go in. Here we have rock formations, and it's beautiful sea all around. This is the Baltic Sea, and I just love this type of beach spots out on the nature. And yeah, I'm so happy that I am back in Stockholm to continue my beach adventures. So the verdict says almost 16 degrees. I'm gonna round it up at 16. So the sea here is the same as, almost the same as it was yesterday in Luleå. It is the same sea, but that one is more closed surface in Luleå, but a bit more north as well. So 24 in the air, 16 in the sea, and here is my Cube Road Racer, my only usable bike right now, as my Ghost hybrid was stolen, and the Scott I still need to change the tires, but I was looking into buying a new one actually, since I will need anyways 3 bikes. So I wish me luck with that. What else? Okay, let's go in for a swim. I am tired still from the trip, but I will definitely enjoy today here in Erstavik. The time is currently 2:48 p.m. As I said, I'm quite late, and it looks like it's gonna be warm throughout the day, but the clouds will come later today as I see them on the horizon. Erstavik is my popular spot to go to the sea, as it is very close to my home. I mean close, it's just a 40 minutes bike ride. I would say that it's close when you live in a metropolitan area like Stockholm. So quite close. All right, so let's go in and enjoy. And yes, I didn't mention that today is 26th of June, and beach day number 41, that is. Okay, that was a bit slippery, so I will try to find a different way in that's safer. I think it's been a long time since I've been to this specific spot. I usually don't come here because it's usually people, but right now there is nobody in this whole segment of rocks. This looks more promising, yes. All right, then we are ready to go. Whew. Oh, amazing. It's not that deep here, so we'll go further in to let you have this wonderful view of my splashing feet overlooking the beautiful nature reserve of Erstavik. Woo! I just love being on the sea. It's so beautiful. Ah, especially on a hot day like this one. So, yes, the sunny weather is back after a few rainy days all over Sweden. I can't believe that yesterday was only 13 degrees Celsius and today is 24. So the weather can change quite often in summer, and good that summer is back. So yeah, I'm gonna be chilling here today and enjoying the beautiful sea, and check out also my beach adventures from Luleå that I will be posting in the upcoming days. Actually visited even a nudist beach over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my beach adventures, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.